Welcome back to the Red and Black Barbecue Shack, guys. It's Saturday. We got hockey on all day. Devils just had a big win, and we are making some beer can chicken to celebrate. I've had this chicken in the fridge dry brining for a few hours now, and what that means is I took it out of the packaging, patted it dry, and put a light coating of salt on it to really dry out that skin to help it crisp up when we cook it, and to help that meat retain moisture. Since we're making this chicken for some chicken tacos, we're actually going to be going for a little bit more of a tangy flavor profile over like a sweet barbecue one. So for our rub, we are going to be using this Rodeo Ranch rub that I got as a Valentine's Day present from the wife. Thank you, baby. I'm going to be using this avocado oil as a binder. And for the beer, for our beer can chicken, I'm going to be using this hard cider. I like using hard cider for my beer can chicken. I've found it gives the chicken a nice sweet flavor. That's just my opinion. You can use whatever you want. Well, now that we got our meat rubbed down, let's get our pit fired up. Also forgot to mention, I always tuck my wingtips back. We're going to be throwing together a nice little sauce for this beer can chicken. So in our little sauce cup here already, we got some butter. We're going to throw in some beer, some lime juice, some ketchup, some mean green hot sauce, and some more of that Rodeo Ranch seasoning. We got the Traeger cranking at 275. We got the hopper full of Bear Mountain barbecue pellets, the gourmet barbecue blend, and we have got the chicken on the pit. I put it on a tray to try to keep the pit a little cleaner. I also put a little foil under the drumstick tips, try to keep those from burning up too much. And I got my sauce over there. So we're probably going to check back in like a half hour and stir that sauce up. Alright guys, it has been like an hour and a half. This chicken is looking great. This sauce is coming along fantastic. We stuck a probe in here. We're temping at like 118 right now. We're probably going to start saucing around like 130, 135 degrees. So I'll show you guys what that looks like in a little bit. We are sitting right around 134 degrees right now. And we just sauced everything up for the first time. It is looking great. I'll probably sauce it up every 10 or 15 degrees and so until it is done cooking. This thing is up to temp. It is done cooking. We are about to pull it off. It is looking and smelling incredible. And yeah, I can't wait. Let's get it off of here. Well, there you have it, guys. That's how we make some zesty beer can chicken. This stuff is so juicy. I literally had to put paper towels under my cutting board because the juices were just running off onto my counter. Bone-in chicken on the Traeger at 275 comes out incredibly juicy every single time. I'm starving. I'm going to go make some chicken tacos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Deuces.